Welcome to day 5 of English speaking practice with ChatGPT. This is Priyanka Chaudhary. Today in this video, I am going to share with you daily use real life English conversations. Yes, where I'll be asking ChatGPT to provide me some phrases and sentences that I can use in my daily life. So, most of the times, what happens when we step out of our home, we interact with many people and we visit many places. Sometimes we come across to any stranger and then we have to talk to that person in English and we get stuck. Because of lack of English speaking practice, we are not able to have a conversation with that stranger. And sometimes when we go to any restaurant and we want to say something in English, we want to place our order, but we don't know what to say and how to place the order. What should be the right sentence and the words that we should be using that time. This is another problem. And if you visit any shopping mall and there is any assistant comes to you and asks you, how may I help you, ma'am? And you want to say something back in English, but something stops you from speaking. So there are many situations like this, right? That is what we are going to do in this video. And I will be discussing a few topics like these, just like at a restaurant, shopping mall, PTM, if you are the parents and you have to attend the meeting and the teacher is talking to you in English and you are unable to respond, then this video is going to help you. Besides this, if you would like to make an appointment, then what can you say? So I am going to cover everything in this video. So be with me till the end and don't miss watching any part of it. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. So here is my tab again and let's see how it goes. So here is my chat GPT and I'm going to start talking to it. Hi Cove, are you there?
Hi, yeah, I'm here. What's on your mind?
Today I am ready to talk on my day 5 and
Mm-hmm.
I have something different today to talk about.
Sure, go ahead, I'm all ears.
Great. So today I would like to talk to you about daily use real life English conversation.
Okay,
So I
like
wanna
everyday chats?
kind of see many times what happens, I get stuck talking to people at a restaurant, shopping mall, and attending PTM, talking to strangers, making an appointment. So these are some situations where I usually get stuck talking to people. So I want you to help me with this. That how should I talk? How should I start? What should be the vocabulary that I should use while talking? What kind of phrases I can use? So let's begin with at a restaurant.
Okay, let me think. Sure, that's a great daily life topic. We can treat it like a role play and correct your sentences after each turn. So
Yeah.
let's start at a restaurant. Imagine you've just entered. I'll be the waiter. Good afternoon. Welcome to our restaurant. How may I help you today?
Very good afternoon. Um, I am looking for a table.
Sure. For how many people?
Just one. Hi.
Right. Follow me.
Cool.
Here's a table.
Thank you
Would you
so
like the
much.
menu?
Yeah, of course.
Sure. Here I go. Take your time.
Yeah. Hey, excuse me.
Yes.
I would like to
What would you like to
order,
order?
yeah, I would like to order a pizza with corn and a lot of cheese, along with capsicum and onions. Along with this,
Sure. A pizza with
I would also like to have cold coffee.
cold coffee and a pizza with corn, capsicum, onions, and extra cheese. Did I get that right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Great. And would that be all?
Yeah, and once I'll finish having my meal, I would also like to have dessert. In dessert, I would like to have brownie with ice cream.
Brownie with ice cream.
Yeah.
Sounds good. I'll add that. So one pizza with corn, capsicum, onions, and extra cheese, one cold coffee, and a brownie with ice cream for dessert. Got it.
Yep.
Sounds like a delicious plan.
And how long will it take?
Checking with the kitchen. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like your cold coffee first or everything together?
It's okay. Like I will have my cold coffee first.
Sure, cold coffee first.
Yeah.
Good choice.
Thanks.
And just a family tip, instead of and how long will it take, you
Okay.
can say how long will it take. That sounds a bit more natural.
Cool.
You're doing well though.
Was I sounding rude anywhere?
No, not at all.
Okay. Great. So
You
thank.
sounded polite and clear.
Oh, nice. All right then. Thank you so much. So we are done with the first role play at a restaurant. Now let's move on to the next. That is shopping mall.
Checking. Nice work at the restaurant.
Oh,
You
thank you.
sounded polite and clear.
Thank you.
Now the shopping mall. I'll be
Yes.
the store assistant. Good afternoon. Welcome to our store. Is there anything I can help you find today?
Good afternoon, sir. Yeah, I am actually looking for a hairbrush.
Sure. Hairbrushes are in aisle 3. Would you like help choosing one?
Yeah, definitely. Please help me with this.
We checking. Of course. What kind of hairbrush are you looking for? Something for daily use? Detangling or maybe a comb instead?
Yeah, I'm looking for something for daily use, especially the detangling one.
Ah, okay. For daily use, a paddle brush works really well. It's gentle and easy to handle. Would you like one with wooden bristles or
Wooden bristles. I will go for wooden one.
sure? The wooden paddle brush is 350 rupees. Would you like to take it?
Is there any discount available?
Checking the discount. Yes, there's a 10% discount today. After the discount, it will cost 315 rupees. Would
Oh,
you like
that's.
to buy it?
Yeah, definitely. I'll go for it.
Great choice. That brush will be 315 rupees,
Cool,
as
cool.
mentioned.
Can I make the payment in cash?
Checking. Yes, of course. We accept cash, UPI, debit cards, and credit cards. Whatever's
Oh, that's
convenient.
wonderful. Yeah, but I have cash right now with me.
Perfect. Cash works fine. Thank you for shopping with us. Have a great day.
You too.
And nicely done. Nicely done. Your polite style fits perfectly for shops.
Thank you once again. It's all because of you, ChatGPT.
You're welcome.
All right, now we are done with shopping as well. Moving on to the next, that is gonna be talking to strangers. So
Checking.
this is a really challenging part, talking to the strangers. So help me with this first. How should I start? What should I say?
Checking.
Yeah.
Okay, PTMs can feel a bit intimidating, but here's a simple way. Start with a greeting and one clear. For example, good morning, ma'am.
Mhm.
How child been doing in class? Teachers usually guide the conversation from there.
Mm-hmm. All right. Should I start?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
Teacher, good morning, Miss Chaudhary. It's nice to meet you. Please have a seat. Your turn.
Very good morning, ma'am. Thank you so much for conducting this PTM and inviting me here. And how has my child been doing so far?
Checking. Very good start. Just small tweaks. Say good morning instead of very good morning. And try thank you for organizing this PTM. How has my child been doing so far? Let's keep going. Teacher, you're most welcome, Miss Chaudhary. Overall, your child is cheerful and does well in class, but I would like him to pay a little attention to his handwriting. Your turn.
I completely agree with you. He has really poor handwriting, and I am trying to work on it. And what do you suggest? How can I improve? How can I make the improvement in his handwriting?
Checking. That was a strong response. Just make it a little more natural. Like, what would you suggest? How can I help him improve his handwriting? Let's finish the role play. Teacher, it's great that you're working on it. At this age, handwriting develops gradually. I suggest encouraging him to write slowly instead of rushing. You can have him practice 10 to 15 minutes daily with tracing books or simple writing worksheets. Most importantly, praise his effort rather than expecting perfect handwriting. Your turn.
Thank you so much for your brilliant suggestions, and I'll work on it. Have a good day, ma'am.
You're welcome. Glad it helped.
So, yeah, one more thing I would like to ask: how has my child been doing academically and socially in classroom?
Checking. Excellent question. Very natural.
Mhm.
Just say, how has my child been doing academically and socially in the classroom? Let's continue. Teacher, academically, your child is doing well. He understands new concepts quickly and participates actively in class. Socially, he's friendly, enjoys playing with his classmates, and works well in group activities. Overall, he's a happy and well behaved child. Your turn.
I'm so glad to hear all this from you. And is he a disciplined child? Does he follow your instructions clearly?
Checking. Good question. Sounds real. Just say, I'm glad to hear that. Is
Mhm.
he a disciplined child? Does he follow instructions well? Let's wrap up the role play.
Cool.
Teacher, yes, he is generally disciplined. He listens carefully and follows instructions most of the time. Like most 5-year-olds, he gets excited sometimes, but responds well when gently reminded. Your turn.
All right, great. Thank you so much, ma'am, for today. And I hope my child will start writing neatly next time.
You're very welcome. I'm sure with steady practice and encouragement, you see improvement.
Yeah, of course. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, now let's move on to the next one, that is making an appointment.
Checking. Great work on the PTM conversation. Now, making an appointment.
Yeah.
For this, imagine you're calling a doctor's clinic. I'll be the receptionist. Good morning, City Care Clinic. How may I help you today?
Good morning. I am having a toothache.
I'm sorry to hear that. Would you like to book an appointment with Dr. Sharma?
Yeah, of course. I am actually running out of time. So if you could make it quick, then it will be really, I'll be really grateful to you.
Checking. Nice, polite response. Just say, I'm a little short on time. If there's an earlier appointment available? Receptionist. Of course, let me check our schedule. We have an appointment available today at 3 p.m. and another one tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Which one would you prefer? Your turn.
Tomorrow, I prefer tomorrow 10:30 in the morning.
Sure. Confirming tomorrow at 10:30 a.m.
Yep.
Receptionist. Great. Your appointment is set for tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Please arrive a little early. Good job today.
Great. So I am done with this English conversation. So Cole, now tell me, how was I speaking and how would you rate my English speaking skills today?
Checking. You did very well today. I'd rate it around 8.5 out of 10. You spoke with more confidence,
Okay.
asked good questions, and
Mm-hmm.
handled multiple role plays. Strengths: clear ideas, polite tone, and good listening. Areas to polish: natural phrasing, articles like a and the, and smoother sentence flow. Your willingness to ask and adapt is the big win. If we keep practicing real life situations, bank visits, hotel check ins, or talking to a stranger for directions,
Yeah.
you'll get smoother and more spontaneous. I really enjoyed today's practice. You showed steady progress. Keep speaking without worrying too much about mistakes. That's the fastest path to fluency.
Thank you so much, Ko. And yeah, thank you once again for being my English speaking partner. And I'll come back to you on day 6.
You're welcome.
Bye bye. So this is how I have just done different role plays in different scenarios. And I believe that it really helped you also thinking of the sentences that you can use while interacting with the shop assistant or the teacher at PTM or the strangers whom you are going to interact with. So, if you found this video really helpful, engaging, interactive, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends who are struggling to find a partner. I'll catch you in another video in day 5. Bye bye.